Okay, so what we have here is a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth. It's pretty much bone stock. All I've done to it so far is put new headlights. We got LEDs in there, high beams and low beams, and I also did LED fog lights. You can't see them right now, but you can actually change them from white and then turn them off, turn them back on, and they'll actually be amber. Have to show you those whenever I get back to the house, but right now let's just go for a little night ride. We're out here Jack in the Box. We're just gonna ease it on back to the house.
But all I feel is music, like no, 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 no.
You guys have to excuse me, I've been driving since like early this morning. Not this car, I wish I was driving this car since early this morning, but I drive transfer trucks and I drove over 500 miles a day, so yeah, it's time for me to go home and get in the bed. Right after we get a little bit of boost action though. And that is not in sport mode, that's just putting around in the eco mode. Whoa, almost stalled it. That's scary. I really don't know how that camera volume is going to be, just because I have the phone like set up with a windshield mount, and it's kind of sitting on the dash, so I don't know if it's going to be any kind of vibration or whatever. If it is, I apologize. Try to figure something out and get a better mic setup. I know I said I was going to get a mic set up and a better camera and all that, but just been busy. A lot of stuff's been going on, so you know how it is. Life happens, and sometimes you got to put your personal wants on hold. So I got stuff on pause right now. I don't know how I feel about these headlights though. I feel like they could be a little bit brighter. So I think I'm gonna probably ride with these 50 watts for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna up it to 72 watts and see how that does. I'm gonna probably do the same thing with the fog lights as well. They're both 50 watts right now. I thought there was gonna be plenty brightness, but apparently not. So, I mean, the high beams aren't too bad. I just feel like the low beams could be brighter. Yeah, I heard somebody say you can't heel toe and rev match whenever you're in eco mode. And I don't seem to have an issue with it, so I don't know. Go this way.
Cause it makes me feel young.
Take you guys through this little tunnel up here. See what this thing sounds like. These windows down so we can all hear this car. Can't get enough of that boost. Like when it grabs, like it's just like as soon as it's pulled up, like this thing takes off like a rocket. Like it's so hard to believe that it's only 170 horsepower in sport mode, and it can go faster. Like if I get like a flash tune, you know, get a 500 Madness programmer to go in here, maybe stage 1, stage 2. I don't know. I need to look and see what's gonna be acceptable with the warranty, because it's still under warranty right now. So Don't want to mess that up. But I mean, just doing slight mods like that, you know, tune, go ahead and put a cold air intake on it, you know, boost that up a little bit, and yeah, you can get around 200. They say 250, but I say it's probably like probably around 230 horsepower, maybe 250 foot-pounds of torque. But I mean, in this little car, that is more than enough. Like, I feel like this 170 right now is really good, because you can take traction control off this thing and punch it like that, it's gonna spin. And I know, spinning ain't winning. Everybody know that. But it's still fun to just roast them. I hate to roast these tires because they're such a good tire. I mean, they're Pirellis. You know, it's kind of, I don't really like to spin them too much, but sometimes you can't help it. Like when that boost jumps up to 20 pounds, like, she gonna break loose. Just like that. Oh, this thing handles like a dream. And here's my mom's brand spanking new 2018 Nissan Sentra. Picked that bad boy up in a midnight package. It only had 8 miles and they drove it off the lot. Brand spanking new. Okay, guess what I'll do is hop out and do a quick demo of the fog lights and go ahead and close the video out. But right now, let's go ahead and do the ending credits. So if you want to go ahead and share this video, please do so. If you want to like, if you like the video, please do so. If you want to subscribe, that would be incredible. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 so I can start making money like the rest of the big time YouTubers. That way I won't have to work. Anyway, yeah, definitely like, share, subscribe, and like if you want to see more. Okay, so that's that. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to show you guys that I also did. I upgraded the interior lights just because they sucked and it was like barely any lighting in here at all. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do for the back because there's not a dome light, but that's for a later date. But I did install these LEDs inside. There's those. And you can change the colors on them. I know they're not exactly the same color, but they're still pretty cool. I mean, they do all kinds of stuff. Like, I mean, that's pretty trippy right there. There we go. And she is still in sport mode. And it's only got 24,037 miles on it, so it's still just a baby. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'm talking like a zombie and I'm extremely tired, so about to go in here, wrestle down this jack in the box, and maybe put some of this video together, see if I can get some of this editing out of the way, and I'm gonna call it a night. Yep, catch you in the next video. Adios.